Martin from Secret, a channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to Markets Tomorrow, the daily stock market technical analysis show where we look at what happened in the market during the day and try to learn something from it and plan for a better trade for the next day. And this is analysis for November 16th, Wednesday 2022, tomorrow. So we had a green day, and after having some pullback yesterday, so we gained some points today on Nifty, and interestingly, Banknifty made another new all-time high. So the market is rallying. Let's get into details and see the charts. That's what it's saying. This is the weekly candle. It's too early to see the weekly, but this is just to show that we had already broken out from the trend line resistance we have been looking for long. Banknifty is the same. We have broken out of that cup or rounding pattern, right? And then we record in the progress, and let's look at the daily charts. That's what we're interested in. So this is the chart for the Nifty. It's not a hammer, but looks like a hammer. The thing is, there is bulls presence. The wick size indicates that bulls will lift in the market up after a small dip that happened earlier. So it's a small body. It's a green candle. It closed above the previous candle's high, right? And another new highs made by the Nifty, and Banknifty made a new all-time high with a small green body candle after 2 days of consolidation, right? So it's going steadily up, and nowhere else is what the market and the charts are indicating. Let's be specific. What did you get? 74 points in the Nifty and 296 on Banknifty. Did well, much more than the Nifty. So Banknifty actually gained 0.70%. This is a mistake. It's a 70%. That's not nearly 300 points of gain, and both close to the small body but green candle with Banknifty making a new all-time high, which we discussed already. Intraday, it was Banknifty started to move up but failed to that, and then dipped 0.5%, and then reversed in the afternoon with 0.8% from there. Same thing happened in intraday also. Banknifty could not move up but did not dip too much, just 0.5% only. And then it was range bound for some time, but after then it shot up and rallied and made 0.8% from the down. Both the dices are comfortable above the moving average, exponential moving average. So for all kinds, 20, 50, 100, 200, it's all about that. But I got this kind of concern from the weekly candle itself. And this week also confirms, it becomes much more confirmation, that's all. But we are in the breaking out zone still. Support resistance 18,458 would be the resistance on the upside now, near to 500. Then you have 18,608, it's all previous swing highs, and then 18,255 downside previous swing low, and then 179, 18,179, and 1800. That zone will be a gap in the previous swing low. Right? Banknifty 42,500 is the next all-time high, and 43,000 after that rounding number. Then you have support downside 41,840, and then 41,644. Several support and gaps. Support previous swings and gaps which are acting as supports basically. All the bands are expanding on the upside. Banknifty showing some beginning of a contraction, but a small bend of this Bollinger band has happened. Very small in the Banknifty. Nifty it has bent yesterday, but it is expanding now. Banknifty shows some consolidation. Right, so that also moves expansion, means it will be big breakout. So bands are bullish. Support resistance to show bullishness. Price actions definitely showing bullishness, and momentum is definitely bullish. Both momentum indicators are above 60 and rising up. Trend indicator ATH is also showing bullishness, rising up with strength. Trend with strength is what you see on the short term. Index is cooled further. It's closed below the 15, 14.62, 2% downfall. Institution futures open interest is showing long build up both. Yesterday it was long winding on both. Today it's long build up on both. Bullish again. 18,300 was highest put writing, just 1 day ahead of the expiry. 90,000 highest call writing. 42,000 highest put writing, and 43,000 highest call writing. So very good levels, very good strong support, much more strong support. Yesterday it was 18,000 as the highest put writing. Now largest number of writing is on the put side, so it's definitely bullish for number 17th expiry. Look at the PCR 1.14 and 1.36, super bullish, no doubt about that. Put call ratio. Sectorial watch That was what is mentioned here is not right. Let's right away get in and see on the charts what are sectors indicate. So sectors, the IT sector close flat. Right. So who made big moves today? Means decent moves today is metal and auto. Right. And all others are close flat. So metal and auto is actually made 0.5% of kind of moves. That's all close flat. So and overall, if you see, IT is having bullish momentum, metal is having bullish momentum, right? And that's all. Reality also might have climbed into the bullish momentum, right? So reality, IT, and the metal are the three sectors which are having bullish momentum in the short term as of now. Auto, pharma, and FMCG are in the sideways. They are defensive sectors. Auto is not defensive, but pharma and FMCG typically are defensive sectors, so they are still lagging slightly, but otherwise the leads are, so just ignore this. No, this is not right. Right. So that's it. Focus on those. But the thing is, on the medium term, it is not a bullish, right? Before you take the call. Medium term, it is not. Only metal is bullish in the medium term. Auto is more medium to bullish, but in the short term, it's not bullish. So metal is only sector that's as of now ready for taking strong, very confident takes. So we are not discussing about medium term entries. We're talking about short term entries. So that ID and metal and reality is what is doing. What other sectors are sideways as of now in momentum perspective. Short term. Heavy beats. It was a green day, and if you see the heavyweights, HDFC Bank. So who did the move was in Infosys and HDFC. No, those were all closing flat, and biggest move was done by the ICICI Bank, which is at the support zone of a neckline breakout. Momentum still in the sideways, but it has been falling down for some time, a couple of weeks actually. Now it has shot up back. So biggest move of 2% has happened at the ICICI Bank, and then HDFC and Nifty. Others are all lost today. Most of them flat, but Kodak and Reliance are close 0.5% low. Right. So the momentum is bullish on the HDFC. It's bullish on the Reliance. Right, well above the RSI 60. It's bullish on the Infi. It's bullish on the TCS. It is not as bullish on the ICC after it had made the dip. Right? So probably it may climb back, and it is yet to be bullish on the short-term on Kodak Bank as well. Right? So Infi, Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank, and those are the guys who are, those are the heavyweights, major heavyweights that are doing reasonably well from the momentum perspective, bullishness on the short term. Right? So let's wrap up for the sectors. Sectors watch IT metal, reality, bullish, heavyweights, HDFC Reliance, Infi and TCS are bullish in the short term. Right? Others are not struggling to come back, especially ICICI Bank has fallen, slipped into the sideways and trying to come back. Now, today's it's interesting institutional data. Both FIs and DAs are net sellers, but not big selling, small selling. 221 crores of selling FIs. Some profit booking probably. They've been buying for 10 consecutive days, and then today it was small profit booking that has happened. That's what I would assume. And DAs, as usual, they had been profit booking since whenever the FIs were buying. Today also they continued the selling, did not buy. Yeah, so that's okay as long as it's a very small selling that has happened, but it did happen. So the retailers are more bullish today than the institutions. So retailers move the market today. That's what we had assumed. Now we had some crude information also here. So it's a trend line. It's crude is consolidating. It's supposed to have moved up in the trend line channel, but it is consolidating below the 85 now. So below 90, as long as maintenance, it should be fine. So basically, do crude oil is cooled off. Dollar index is also falling. It's a pullback. Now it's in the bearish momentum, which is very good. 106. No longer 120 dollar days. Right. So that's a good news. And so the economic views are turning good. And USD currency pair obviously has gained a bit, but today it is rising after a small pullback. 81.1 still still at the all-time low level. So that still continue to be worry, but dollar cool off and crude oil off is good. Gold is rising up and then climbed above the major resistance, which it had slipped earlier, and then trying to consolidate there and further move up and take the next resistance with upside. That's what I see. Green flat days, flat charts is seen of this GX index is actually doing good. This is Dow Jones, it's showing yesterday it was red, but the future is showing 360 points up, and now see where it is. It is taken out the major resistance zone. If you look at the weekly charts, we can clearly see that it is a good rally that has happened from the bottom of the channel. It has broken out of the channel top, and then this resistance also is conquered. And if this week is able to close green, then it definitely is positive. But the momentum is set the resistance, not a climb to the RSI 60. That's the Dow futures that we're talking about. So US markets, as of now, it's showing 200 plus, and SG is also green. But you have to see in the post market tomorrow, not post market, pre market. The morning opening hours, if you see big moves have happened in the US tonight, then it means that there's a chance that the markets can possibly not confirmed always, right? There's a potential that it can react to that big moves, likewise. So that's global cues are also good from the commodities and all, crude, everything looks good. So upside is there coming in Friday, November 18th. So there could be some volatility following that. And inflation had cooled off. So if the upside also is showing improved results, improved data, then probably the US market can make book, and now markets also move more up. Two stock picks, United Spirits long call and the State Bank of India. Let's quickly see that. United Spirit. It's a cup and handle breakout. Beautiful. RiskReward potential is there. Right. Momentum has climbed to the bulls on the weekly, daily, short term, medium term, all bullish. State Bank of India also showing good breakout potential. Remember the banking stocks are doing good. So futures data leads coming. Let's see if futures data. Yes, we got it. So it's a parallel channel, right? It is a good time to enter. It's given small pullback, and there is every chance that it can go to the top of the panel. That's it. That's the game, right? Momentum is bullish. Trend indicator also bullish. So price action and the parallel channel pre-confirms that it's going to move up. So it can give good push and swing trades. Two stock picks, United Spirits and State Bank of India. Now that we have studied all these different parameters and momentum, trend, volatility, open interest, price pattern, support resistance, put call ratio, and all the global cues. Let's summarize this. What is the view? The view for tomorrow from my side, for me, it's moderate bullishness. Continues. It was the same yesterday also. Why? Markets also showing further up today. Another new all-time high is made. A new high is made on the Nifty. New all-time high on the Banknifty. Crucial resistance on breakout is confirmed. All-time high for the Nifty is inches away. And price bands expansion. There is some price bands expansion on the Bollinger side. That's seen in the Nifty, but some consolidation beginning is some bend of that Bollinger bands is seen on the Banknifty. But I think yesterday Nifty had the same. Today it is traded out, so no worries there also. So then given that we have a rising momentum, bullish sounds, bullish trend, price action more above moving average, big school of institutions supportive, all this favor. So I have no other view other than moderate bullish for the next day. US market also showing good. Global goes good. Rupees gained a little bit. US dollar is cooled off. Oil is consolidating and then staying below the 90. That's also good. So look at 18,100 downside, 18,500 upside, 40,000 Bank Nifty. 40,500 upside and 40,000 downside. So that's a level to watch in the short term. So that's it. Bullish view for tomorrow, and keep your positions overnight whenever you're carrying. Take positions with the hedge position so that your risk is defined. You don't get wiped out and still in the game, right? And always try to invest, before the real breakout comes in with tight stop losses, right? There still is opportunity to buy. And long-term investments, you can protect your option strategies, right? So check out all of these videos are there, then different option strategies for investment and trading both. That is there in the playlist. Check out that and then provide a feedback and hit like button. Consider hitting the like button if you like it. And definitely if you're watching this and if that has it has helped you in some way or the other in your technical analysis and your trade plan for the next trade. Subscribe if you're not subscribed right away. Share it to maximum we have very few subscriptions and appreciate your help with support. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye bye.